Da sevamo, da. Idemo na Diaz.
Can you a lady moving here?
Laughing, getting fat. This is insane. Get something, then what's more fun than that?
Ko je ostaje? O! Uvijek preskočim. To mi je... Aj malo da ne bude muzike. Dosta slušam. Jedva čekam kad ćemo da dobijemo ovu Diazovu vilu da postane naš. Jedva čekam tu misiju. Imaćemo i našu bodyguard i sve. U stvari naše obezbeđenje, što bi se sad tu reklo. I za malo da nisam zgazio policajca. Ne veze. $8.000 imamo. Nije loše. Idemo, parkirat ćemo pored ovog crvenog lepog automobila. I ne možemo još uvijek da uđemo u kuću. Joj! A, nije to. Biće posle misije The Fastest Boat.
What kind of incompetent fool are you? Fool! 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 Tommy!
Ovo je stalno nešto ljut.
These idiots, they're always trying to screw you. That's the problem with this business. What do you think you're doing? These pricks have failed me miserably.
So će Lance
Soon any
Vance
mom
da
and pop
doće,
will
ja
think they
mislim.
could sell Gallo in Vice City. What next, huh? The stinking mafia? That gang place is a fortress at ground level. So Quentin here. Quentin! They'll fly you over the area. Eradicate them! What do you think you're doing?
Niko ne zna šta radi.
I've been asking around. It's obvious that Diaz jumped the deal and iced my brother.
And he'll kill you too.
I can take Diaz.
No, listen to me. I'll handle Diaz. He's beginning to trust me.
Joj, sad pucamo iz helikoptera.
One thing puzzling me. What's with Quentin? I don't know. I always kind of liked it. Quentin Vance. Vance? Your name's Lance Vance? Hey, I got enough of that at school. Vance. Poor bastard. Where the hell are we headed anyway? Prawn Island. You ever fire one of those from a whirly? No. I'll get a bit of practice on the way, though. Okay, we're almost there. We'll make a couple of passes. So take out as many guns as you can. Then I'll sit you down and you're on your way.
Naravno, kad sletim, sve mi sami moramo da uradimo.
Damn, this is the war zone. Let's take out some of those guns.
Eto. Šta? Dobro, nisam loš. Za sad nisam loš. Koliko mi se čini. Aj. Ne. Što i ti? Da. To je to. Fuck! Daj. Pa dosta je puca. Siso jeba, tako umri.
Okay, you're on your own from here. Good luck, brother. Ay no, que le pasa, idiota.
O, imamo, dobili smo to.
Respond to attend 19 East Front Island. This was attend 21 East Front Island.
Ne. Tu si.
Respond to attend 19 East Front Island. Respond to attend 21 East Front Island. Suspect on foot.
Ko to? Ko to puca? Ko? Puca. A ti?
This was attend 19 Central Front Island.
Uf,
Respond to attend
sviđa mi se.
21 Central Front Island.
A, izgleda da moramo gore. Dobro, nije toliko teška misija ova bila. Čak je laka bila. Mislim, nije ni baš laka, ali... Nije nešto ni teška. Pa, vidim. Idem prvo da... Save-ujem, zato što sljedeća misija nije laka. Toliko. I ne bih htio da padnem i da odem u bolnicu. I onda sve od početka. U stvari, važit će mi se misija, ali izgubit ću svo oružje. I sve, i onda. To je bez veze. Idemo da save-ujemo pravo. Što si mora da pokutiš? Uzet ću ovaj auto. Ko me zove?
Tommy, it's me, Colonel Cortez. Look, senor, I believe you are a man who can get things done. So please help me. You can find me at the boat, huh?
Aha, sad opet iza Corteza imamo.